Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and from here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Phone. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. So if you see anything in here that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin the actual reset. Now, important things that are included in here will be things like music, photos, and user data. Anyway, assuming you have created a backup or you maybe just don't want to, you can select Reset Phone. Now, one more thing that will show up is the option for you to back up your device on the next page right here. I do want to point this out because some people will probably utilize this without realizing, but this is doing a backup to the Honor Cloud or Huawei Cloud, whichever one. They're basically the same company, let's be honest. So in this case, you are restricted to restoring this backup that you will create on other Honor devices. And if your new device isn't Honor, you have no access to the backup. So you basically upload your data to the Honor computers, because that's basically what that means. And then they just get to have your data that you can't access because you don't have Honor phone, so you can't restore it on your new device. Now, if your new device is Honor, that's not really a problem. But like I said, some people are switching from this brand to another one. That might be a case, and that's why you're resetting the device. And if you use this backup, just know that you literally won't have access to it, so it's absolutely useless. And in those circumstances, what you would need to do is just plug in your cable to your computer and connect it to your phone and do a manual backup by just dragging over the files somewhere on your computer, and you're good to go. And obviously that kind of backup allows you to restore it to, well, any kind of device. Now, I don't have anything that I want to back up, so I'm going to select Reset Phone, and this will automatically begin factory resetting it. Now, this will take about a minute, 2 minutes to finish up, give or take. And once it's completed, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.